Hi everyone, welcome back again. Hope you all are staying safe and healthy. Today I'm going to share 6 amazing cooking tips, especially for beginners, that will save you a lot of your time and efforts. I will certainly give you a perfect result which you're looking for. Hope you like this video. Keep watching. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for getting notified. So let's start with the first tip. That's how to avoid milk sticking at the bottom. Many times it happens when we boil milk or we reheat it, it often sticks to the bottom, as you can see, which makes the cleaning job difficult, and at times the milk also gets curdled. In order to avoid this, here is the best tip. Before boiling milk, add water to the pan, heat it up, rinse and discard the water. Pan is all clean now. Now just before pouring the milk, add little water, say around 1 to 2 tablespoons, and then pour the milk. Here I am cooking 1 liter milk. So cook the milk on medium flame. Milk started boiling now. Now let's switch it off and check it. In this way, the milk won't curdle nor it will stick to the bottom. Now pouring it to another container, and you can see now the pan is all clean. Useful tip, right? With this, we move on to a second useful tip. It's a simple home remedy for minor burns that accidentally happens while cooking. That's mild to minor burns. Firstly, cool it immediately with tap water or apply ice or wet compressor. Then dry it and apply little honey. Honey has antibacterial, antiviral and antioxidant properties, so will soothe mild burns. With this, we move on to a third very useful tip. That's how to remove honey for recipes without sticking to spoons. Normally in recipes that calls for honey, we take out in spoons and we usually see that half of the honey stays in the spoon itself. As you can see here, when you need a teaspoon of honey, when you try to drop it, half the honey is still sticking to the spoon. To avoid this, here is a great tip. Just take a drop of oil and apply all over the spoon as shown. In this way, when you try to remove the honey, it will fall apart. Let me show you. Now oil is applied. Now trying to take the honey, and you can see it easily falls off and gets apart. And spoon is all clean. This will avoid wastage. And now let me show you the difference. This is the one that is applied oil. And this is the first one. You can see the difference. Helpful, right? With this, we move on to another useful tip. That's how to peel pomegranate in a very easy and hassle-free way. Pomegranates are loaded with lots of nutritional health benefits. Hence, consuming it is very healthy. However, peeling seems little tiring. Let's see how to peel it in a very simple way. So for that, hold the pomegranate and then cut in a circular position. Cut it in a circular form as shown, and then we're gonna remove the top part. Now it's cut. So gently open the top part with a knife, and then you can remove it as a lid. See, it easily comes off, right? Now slit all the joints that's in sections. So slit it with a knife. Once all cuts are made, gently open the pomegranate and you can see it easily gets separated. Remove the white pulp and that's it. We can separate the sections now and easily remove the seeds. Very simple, right? Hope you're liking this video. If so, please do like and share among your family and friends. In this way, you can easily peel off pomegranates and enjoy the nutritional health benefits of it. With this, we move on to a fifth tip that's gonna be very useful for beginners. That's how to perfectly boil potatoes in pressure cooker without turning it mushy. For that, into a pressure cooker, add potatoes, then add only 75% of water. Yes, only 75%. Then add salt if required. Then cover the lid and pressure cook for 1 to 2 whistles depending on your pressure cooker. So I'm covering it and gonna cook it. My pressure cooker just takes 1 whistle to cook. Once pressure settles and cools down completely, let's check. You can see it easily gets peeled off. In this way, potatoes will never turn mushy or remain uncooked. You may also cook potatoes in oven. We'll share it in my next video, so do stay connected. Now you can see it's peeled off well. Now let me mash this potato and show you. You can see how perfectly and evenly it's cooked. Such potatoes you may use to cook crispy potato fries. As you can see, the recipe coming soon, so stay connected. So you can make potato sabzis, fries, sabzis and even pakoras. Very useful tip, right? So with this we move on to the last tip. That's how to boil eggs perfectly so that it gets peeled off easily. So for that, into a pan, place eggs, pour sufficient water, then to this add 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil and then keep it for boiling. Now boil this for around 10 to 12 minutes on a medium flame, and once it's boiled, switch off the flame and discard the water and allow it to come to room temperature, and then you can crack and open it as shown. If you follow this method, you can easily and smoothly peel off the eggs without any hassle. Very easy tip, right? You can see how smoothly and easily we can peel off the egg. And that's it. Now continue with the rest. Hope you found all these tips useful. Now using these eggs, you can make egg masala, egg fry or egg roast. Delicious egg masala recipe coming up, so do stay connected. Hope you like this useful video. If so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more useful, time-saving and delicious recipes. Soon we'll be coming up with another interesting video. Until then, take care of yourself. Happy cooking. Bye-bye.